entire batch, sir. Entire batch. And I request that 10 minutes. And sir, it is tough for me also, sir, to speak so long, sir. Sir, firstly, sir, I have a problem with my stomach. I don't have intestines. And it is very tough to speak, sir, but still I try to fulfill my duties, sir. And secondly, sir, it is tough because this is a Ramzan time. Sir, we are fasting, we cannot even have a drop of water, no food. But still, I do not want to mix I do not want to mix my health or my religious belief with my responsibility. But my only submission is that, sir, kindly give us some sufficient time so that we could really do justice, and we could really do justice to the people who have sent us here to do a specific duty of, welcoming the good decisions of the government and criticizing the wrongdoings of the government, sir. Sir, starting from roads and buildings, sir. So demand, no, I have seen my watch, sir. So the demands for grant for roads and building department is rupees 5,904 crores in the next financial year budget. So the regional Ring Road RRR envisages connecting two national highways, one of the northern side and other on the southern side, with total length of 348 kilometers with an outlay of 26,502 crores. Sir. So the northern road from Sangareddy, Tupran, Gajwel and Chotuppal, and southern road runs from Chotuppal, Shadnagar and Sangareddy. Initially, it will be a 4-lane highway initially and expanded to 8 lanes. Sir. The state has to bear 50% of the land acquisition, road and rupees 1,525 crores has been allocated for the purpose in the current year's budget and a similar amount in the next year's budget. Sir, I would like the government to announce the time frame for the completion of the crucial project with central assistance, sir. So construction of a camp office cum residential residence complexes for the MLAs has been taken up in 104 assembly constituencies across the state, and all these works are completed, sir. However, the work of these camp office residence complexes are not taken up in 15 assembly constituencies in Hyderabad districts since sites are not finalized, sir. Sir, I would like to point out that the government land parcels are available in each of the 15 constituencies in twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad and the GHMC limits, sir. Suitable sites can be chosen for locating the camp offices, sir. I would once again urge the government to take up the work of camp offices for city MLAs without further delay, sir. Due to the persistent effort of the state government, the central government has finally granted approval for a long pending construction of Mamnoor Airport in Warangal, sir. Sir, I may recall that the state government proposed 6 regional airports as Mamnoor, Basantnagar, Jakranpalli, Adilabad, Devarakadra and Palwancha. However, the consultancy agency, Airport Authority of India, has indicated feasibility only for Mamnoor, Jarkampalli and Adilabad, and reported that the airport at Basantnagar, Devarakadra and Palwancha are not feasible, sir. Sir, I would request the RNB Minister, Mr. Komareddy Saab, to clarify on these new airports, sir. Sir, now coming to the second subject, sir. This is about the commercial tax and administration, sir. The commercial tax department is a major revenue earning department of the state. It contributes about 63% of the state's own tax revenue, SOTR, sir. So the department and its administration, the GST Act, the Central Tax Act, and Telangana Value Added Tax, apart from Professional Tax Act, sir. However, the Commercial Tax Department tabled the demand and the outcome document consisting of only 9 and 4 pages, sir. Sirf 9 pages, sir. Itna bada department. This is why I say, sir,